This is Ivy. It's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 2/1 to 2/7, guys. The BOGOs are awesome, just like they was last week. They are awesome this week, guys. So make sure you can do early activation, okay? So we do have the sodas that's 3 for $14. They gave us a $2 coupon. Then for some reason they are promoting this buy this DiGiorno pizza for $5.75, get a free Pepsi 2-liter. Then the football season is coming up, so if you're going to be tailgating, there's a $4 coupon. Then our cereal for Kellogg's, didn't I tell you guys it'll be back 4 for $8? Hopefully they gave us some coupons. I would hold off on the 2 for $18 of the Folgers. Now look at this, guys. It went down. Spend $25, save $5 on any game fabric care products. You have to buy a laundry item and a fabric enhancer. The thing is that it went down. And we have some paper coupons, guys, that you can match up with that. They did give us a $2 digital. Hopefully we could stack. Then they brought the game back 3 for $10. That is an awesome deal too. BOGOs. If you still have your Swiffer coupon, here it is right here. Now this Swiffer say, oh, this might be a new one, guys. It's a Swiffer Sweeper refill. So now it's pointing out that it's refill. So hopefully that'll work. And it is from 5 to 3:36. BOGO. Look at that, guys. Mr. Clean. We are BOGOing it up over here. I am so happy that they're doing this. Now, we have a digital buy two, save $4. So that means you buy a Pepsi product and you get a Frito-Lay product free. Okay, so 3 for $14 on the Pepsi Mountain Dew 12 packs. They gave us a $2 coupon. 4 for $14 on the Pepsi Mountain Dew 6-pack bottles. Another awesome deal. Don't forget, you can do early activation. So go ahead and grab that if that's what you plan to do on Saturday. Early activation start at 7 p.m. You can save your $5 off 25 or use a paper digital guide. Those two ads will run together. Buy one, get one 50% off on your Tostitos. I will probably leave that alone. But remember, we still had a buy two, get two that'll end on Saturday. So you can stack that one with it. Then you have that 2 for $7, that $1 off. Look at that, guys. Buy two, get two Lays. It is stack up time and it's my vision board time. So I need to get that. Any candy deals, anything for Sweethearts today, you can go ahead and grab that, okay? Now, we also have the buy one Velveeta, get the Rotel for free. That's a good deal. Then we have the 2 for $9 on the Fridays. Last time we have a coupon that glitched on that. 2 for $9 on the Farm. 2 for $6 on the Bagel Bites. 3 for $5 on the Progresso. Now, right here is where I want you to look at. 2 for $4 on the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Okay, now we have the Old El Paso, 2 for $6. Takis, 2 for $6. Up here, I don't want to skip this because we got that $1 on the mayo. The smallest one is attaching to it, as you can see, but I think it might be that one. Okay, say 75 cents on the ranches. Then we're going to come down because you're going to do the 3 for $11 Dr. Pepper. Now, remember, the front page is 4 for $11, the other ones, okay? They got 4 for $14 on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew and 3 for $11 on the Dr. Pepper and the 7-Ups, which I probably would go for that one, all right? Then more candy. Then right up here, you see that $2 Mucinex coupon? It matches with the $4.65. This is still flu season, guys. I just got over a horrible, horrible cold. If you can stock up on that Mucinex worked out good for me, okay? Then you do have the $1.75 off of the the DG brand, 50 cents off the cough medicines. This 6 for $4 coupon is still here off of the Colgates. It would be nice if it was the $3 ones, but they not advertising that, but I always scan. This $2 Gold Bond, that's a good coupon, especially if they have the 2 for $10 instant going on. You're going to save $1.50 on razors. $1.50 they done took away already and they added the Old Spice, but it's still for the speed stick, so that's still a good deal, okay? Then you have that $2 on Dove. Right here is what I want you to pay attention to. Sometimes this coupon glitches on the cheap $1 pads, so make sure you scan the $1 pads. Then we have $3 off on the Tide. Paper coupons. If this is a Dollar General coupon, then we have a $3 Tide coupon. You can stack them. These are 2 for $25. Same with these coupons. You can stack this $2.25 with the paper manufacturer coupons that we got in the mail. Those coupons do not end, guys, until the 28th of February. So be diligent. And look, guys, another BOGO finish. Buy one, get one. Then we had $2 off on the Febreze Air Mist. Another BOGO. Guys, get ready to do early activation at 7. Airwood, buy one, get one free. $4 on that mop, which I will hold off if you was lucky enough to get it during Christmas time, which I was. Okay, these are 2 for $5. If you did the BOGO, I will leave those alone for this week. Now, they also have the Home Fresh, buy one, get one 50% off on these products right here. All of those. Okay, $3.75. Do you guys still have that $1.75 coupon, or $1.50? It might work. $3 on the hot dog buns and hamburger bun. 3 for $12 on the Coca-Colas and Sprites, which is still a good deal. Now, their Clover Valley ketchup and mustard is 2 for $2. These Tortinos are 2 for $10. Then they did give us a 4 for $8 on the Totitos pizza, which my sons could eat one of those little pieces by themselves. Then they gave us the Spend 15, Save 5 is back, guys, with a $1.50 coupon off on one of these products. So that's awesome right there. Don't forget, that'll be a do now deal. Okay, a lot of the food, guys, early activated. Here it is for the Scott. It is spend 20, get $4 off. Hopefully they give us a coupon for that. Then we also have $3 off on Dollar General. Again, those paper coupons going to come in awesome, guys, for it. Don't let that slip past you. Then you got the $2 off on the Tide, $3 on the Bounty, but I don't know if they're gonna still give us that coupon. Spend 25, get the $5 off. That might make a good deal. Now, I like this coupon because it is a stock up coupon on the Cloroxes, the cleaning supply, the garbage bags. It is spend 15, get $3 off on any of these products. I usually go for either the garbage bags or the bleaches or the cleansers, okay? But if Family Dollars have that spend 30, get 10 off, we're going to go up in there, all right? Now, if you still have that $3.50 Febreze warmer plug, that's awesome. Okay, so now, all the card things are on sale, okay, guys? Make sure you pay attention to that. The best thing out of here this week, guys, it is going to be the BOGO's early activation. Get the early activations. The food is early activations. That's an instant early activation. That's an early activation. This is an early activation. All of your early activations and the BOGOs, I am so excited for the BOGOs, guys, because that's newbies. This is your time this week at Dollar General, just like it was ending today. Do those early activations at 7 p.m. along with your 5 off 25 and your new ad, so you can get the things you need. Now, if it's something that has a coupon to it, no, you're not going to get early activation because it's just not available, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share if it's coupon cap because we don't gatekeep. Bye.